Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can upgrade your character's gear level in Star Wars Galaxy of Heroes, so let's get right into it. First of all, Star Wars Galaxy of Heroes is a mobile game created by EA, and it is what I can describe only as an action-adventure game, or rather a turn-based game. And in this game, you take your heroes, either light side or dark side, and take them into battles where they need to complete those levels by defeating their enemies. Each of the characters that you unlock does have gear slots, and those gear slots amount to a certain gear level. Gear level is important for unlocking these sections, such as the Scavenger, which you need gear level 13 on at least one character. And you also gain several stat bonuses for your heroes for them to use in battle. It just upgrades your stats, and that is pretty much it. Now, to actually upgrade your character gear level, you go into the collection and select whichever character you would like. Let's say Ahsoka Tano, for example. If I select her, you will see the gear level denoted in the bottom of the screen. To actually upgrade this gear level, you need to put gear into each and every slot of gear. As you can see here, I have put in 4 slots. For these other slots, I don't have any gear, so I need to go and find them by completing these battles, which you can see here. And once you actually fill every slot, your character gear level will increase, and then you can increase it by repeating that process all the way until level 13, where you need to use the Scavenger to get relic amplifiers. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will be seeing you guys next time.